First-time home buyers and investors, take note. Amazing value combined with a great location finds you here at 270 Brittany Drive. This well-maintained, beautiful 2-bedroom, 1-bath condominium is sure to please. The primary bedroom features a walk-in closet offering plenty of space for the fashion-forward. Another generous-sized bedroom can be a perfect office or guest room. You decide. This unit also boasts an abundance of storage to keep life organized. And an in-suite laundry further adds to the convenience of this home. The large kitchen features plenty of counter space and a pass-through that makes entertaining a breeze. Loads of natural light in every room adds to the bright, warm feel of the unit. Building amenities include tennis courts, a swimming pool, and a gym. It's easy to stay active here. And a party room is also included for those milestone occasions to share with family and friends. And parking is also offered through the condo board for just $50 a month. If you're ready to own your own home or to invest and add to your portfolio, be sure to add this to your must-see list and call Glenn Tomlinson of Tracy Arnett Realty to schedule your private showing today.